What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Consider subscribing. Today I'm out here doing something that I rarely ever do, and that is river fishing. I'm here on the San Joaquin River. I've got no clue. I'm just going to throw a weight with the hook and a night crawler on it, and we're going to see if anything wants a night crawler today, because honestly, I have no clue. Anyways, on my way up here on this little walk, I saw that there was like anchovies and sardine bags and stuff like that. So people are using those. Whether they caught anything or not, I don't know. Anyways, let's get these lines in the water, see what we can catch today, and let's get to fishing. There we go. Loaded up, 1/0 hook, a couple night crawlers. Let's see what we can do. Now, honestly, I have no idea where to put it as far as where to cast it. So I'm just gonna go, well, I don't know. You know, I'm just gonna cast it out there. Wherever it lands, it lands. Hell with it. There we go. Check that out. Just sitting down there in the rocks. I'm not sure what the hell I'd do with it. See if somebody I know wants it. What is it? Shit, I'm gonna have to get down there. Oh, look at there. Caught a little sucker fish or carp or whatever the hell these things are. Right on. Cool. First one out here. You know, I was beginning to think I wouldn't actually catch one today, because honestly, got no clue what I'm doing out here. But anyways, hell yeah, little carp. Right on. All right, everyone, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Only caught that one little sucker fish, but that's all right. Had a fun day out here at the river. I'll definitely be trying it again. It's something new. Something a little more challenging than trout fishing for the most part. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, kill that like button. Appreciate you watching. See you guys next time.